Okay, so these few questions were obviously about decisions and choices. The first question just asks about taking a guess. Who can guess for us how many choices you make in a day? Hunter.
1 million choices.
1 million. Yes?
I say about 73.
Approximately 73. Tim.
100.
100.
Infinite.
Infinite number of choices.
You made a decision.
What about somebody from this table group? A lot.
Brilliant.
Not as precise as 73. What did somebody over here get? More than 100?
And that was like around 12 or more.
12 or more.
12 or more.
101. Nice. The class before you guys had numbers like 2,000, 9,000, a million.
I said million.
I say a million.
Somewhere between 0 and infinity, though, for sure, right?
Yeah, it's like
It's more this is like an 8 beside us.
it's like a.
I looked on the internet where all knowledge is stored for all of humankind. And the internet gave numbers like 3,000 to 9,000 per day. You make maybe thousands of decisions every day. The second question, I wanted you to think about what kind of decisions you've made just today. What kind of answers did you come up with? Junior.
What I should eat, that was a decision.
What you should eat. And what did you decide?
It's usually what I'm thinking about. Anyway, well, I got this chicken patty, but
In the poem,
I mean,
there's some vocab that we're going to go over first because we want to try to incorporate this vocab when we're discussing poetry. So the first word is speaker. When we're talking about poetry, what's speaker mean? Hunter.
Like the person, one of the speakers, the person who's either like reading the poem, or the person who's telling the poem, the author.
Okay. The person who's speaking or the author. Any other ideas? What does speaker mean? Tim.
The person who's like telling you what it basically is, or what's like happening.
Totally. The person who's telling you what's happening. Often in literature we have another word for this. Exactly, Viv. Thank you. The narrator. So we don't want to confuse the speaker with the author. You don't necessarily know that the speaker is, in this case, Robert Frost. Okay? So I'm going to write narrator. What about line? In poetry, what does line mean? It's like a sentence.
A phrase. A phrase.
A phrase. Don't overthink it. A line is just one line of text from the beginning to the end, and then the next line starts. It's just a way to divide the poem. So when we talk about Robert Frost's poem, we can refer to some of the words on, say, line